Group 6 Research Presentation. Chapter 1 Introduction. Overview. Communities can take simple but effective steps to combat global warming and protect the environment. Reducing energy use by switching to energy efficient appliances and supporting renewable energy sources like solar and wind power can significantly cut carbon emission. So by using a solar and wind power, you can help the environment to reduce global warming. Education and advocacy play a vital role in empowering communities to act on climate change. School and local groups can raise awareness by teaching people about cause and impact of global warming and offering practical solutions. So by the use of education, you can make the community to help the environment to reduce global warming. Background of the study. Your tagline here, global warming, driven by the increase of greenhouse gases, poses significant threats such as rising temperature, extreme weather, and sea level rise. Because the greenhouse gases increase, the temperature increase, extreme weather, and sea level rises. Statement of the problem. The main focus of this study is to find a solution of the following: demographic profile respondent, age, gender, course and year, types of community, urban, rural, educational attainment of parents. Two, what step can communities take to improve energy efficient in public building and homes? Machine and transportation. 3. What role can communities play in supporting vulnerable population who are most affected by global warming? Cash donation, food, and clothes. Significance of the study. Parents. Parents should teach their children about sustainable and adopt eco-friendly practices at home. Teachers. Teachers should encourage their children to take environmental projects to help the community. Community. Community should help reduce the carbon emission and help each other by teaching about global warming solution. Researcher. Researchers should provide the solution of global warming and promote it to the community to help the environment. Scope and limitation. The target of this study only aimed to the student and instructor of CPC campus, Bachelor of Technology, major in Automotive of Camiguin Polytechnic State College, school year 2024-2025 of facing global warming solution. These are the bibliography.
Chapter 2 Review of Related Literature. Chapter 2 Review of Related Literature. Shahab Uddin, 2022. According to Shahab Uddin, Shahab global warming is defined as an increase in the world's average surface temperature over the last few centuries. In recent years, the public awareness of global warming has grown significantly and it has become a common decision and topic of discussion. On the issue of global warming, enthusiastic response and heated arguments amongst believers provides interpretation that scalding posts are frequently arose. Zervapriya signed 2024. How society itself is responsible for global warming. How awareness can help people understand and change themselves and their well-being, improving present scenario. How global warming is created and day by day becoming hazardous is prevailing condition. What are the effects of global warming today and in future? How it can make for more uncomfortable living conditions. This paper will also suggest strategies to improve present conditions by adopting new necessary changes in daily life, not only by individuals, institutions, and society at large. Lastly, this paper suggests global presentation measures which, if seriously adopted, can definitely reduce global warming. Scrijoni, Banerjee, Himani, Sarba, and Swati Hazra 2022. According to Scrijoni, Banerjee, Himani, Sarba, and Swati Hazra, global warming is referred to as a rise in the average temperature of Earth as a consequence of both natural and human-caused greenhouse gas GHG emissions. Global warming could have a wide range of consequences ranging from environmental to social issues like extreme weather, food supply, health, and water resources, among others. Combating global warming necessitates a multidisciplinary approach. The development of warming necessitates the development of sustainable and renewable energy source is required due to the exponential increase in global energy requirements, fast depletion of fossil fuel resources, and ecological damage. Aman. Aigol Lokasiba, Bulsahira, Alayzuba, Laila Arinuba, 2020. According to Aigol Lusubia, Kuldesahira, Divaisua Dildanuza, today, the world community is faced with one of the most significant challenges: climate change, natural disasters, unpredictability of weather conditions, sea levels rise, etc., and jeopardize life activity, increase the likelihood of natural disasters and the consequence of climate change. Global in natures and often of unprecedented scale. At the same time, the anthropogenic factors in climate change play a key role.
Okay. As
Sebastian Kraft Advait Carmouy, 2023. With regard to the origin of global warmings, DAP discussed on the view that increased heat in the atmosphere is simply caused by increased carbon. From the point of view of chemistry and physics, carbon dioxide is not a cause of heats, but a result of what creates heat combustions. Moreover, the low carbon strategies that suggested to control the increase of heat seems low, difficult to measure and control, and so far effective. In industry, it is axiomatic that good technologies have measurable results and always work in the same way if conditions are as foreseen.
these are the reference. Chapter 3 Methodology.
Methodology. This chapter explains how the study or project was conducted. It provides a detailed roadmap of the methods and techniques used to collect, analyze, and interpret data, allowing others to understand the process and replicate the study if needed. This chapter serves as a guide to how the study or project was carried out, offering a clear and detailed explanation of the methodology. It outlines the specific methods and techniques used for data collection, analysis, and interpretation by providing this information. This chapter ensures transparency, allowing readers to understand the research process and evaluate the validity. Additionally, it enables other researchers to replicate the study under similar conditions, contributing to the reliability and credibility of the findings. Research design. These researchers use descriptions. A qualitative approach provides in-depth insight into community perception, motivation, and action related to global warming. It allows for a deeper understanding of the social, cultural, and behavioral factors that drive community involvement in climate solution. Qualitative methods such as interviews of focus groups enable researchers to explore attitude and uncover valuable local knowledge, making this approach well suited for studying community-driven solutions to global warming. This researcher employed a qualitative approach to gain detailed and nuanced insight into how communities perceive, understanding, and act regarding global warming. This method focuses on exploring the social, cultural, and behavioral aspects that influence how communities engage in climate solution. Sampling design. The study used purposive sampling techniques to select participants for the qualitative components of the study. The participants will be selected based on their expertise and knowledge related to global warming solution at the community level. A total of 10 participants will be selected for the studies, which is a sufficient sample size to provide a comprehensive understanding to research topic. The study employs purposive sampling, a technique used to intentionally select participants who are the best suited to provide relevant and insightful information for the researcher. For the qualitative components, participants are chosen based on their expertise and knowledge in community level solution to global warming.
Respondent of the study. So the respondent of the study were the students of Bachelor of Technology, major in Automotive 2A. The researcher chose these students to survey more about how to be helpful and should be done in the global warming solution. Local of the study. The researcher conducted the study at the Camiguin Polytechnic State College, which is located in Balbagon, Mambahaw, Camiguin. Research instruments. The research used survey questionnaire to determine the global warming solution. What communities can do? Part 1. The main focus of this study is to find the solution of the following: demographic profile of the respondents, their age, gender, course and years, and type of community. Reduce emissions. Plant more trees, educational attainment of parents. The Part 2. Determine the assessment of the global warming solution. What communities can do. Part 3. The solicit suggestions from the respondents for further assessments and research. Data gathering. Interviews are one of the most effective methods for collecting detailed, personal insights about climate actions. Through semi-structured interviews, researchers can ask local government officials, environmental advocates, and engage residents about their views on global warming, specific local initiatives, and challenges they face in promoting sustainable practices. Interview questions might include: what role do you believe in communities should play in reducing carbon emission?
Chapter 4 Analyze Finding, Conclusion, and Recommendation. This chapter presents data gathering for the survey. They were represented in the tabular analysis and templated and completed with inference, implication, and theoretical based on the presented research questions. Table 1 Presented in the Table 1 is a profile of respondent result. Presented that most the 90 respondents are 19 years old, as stated by frequency 60% of 10 respondents. Age they have 8, 18, 19, 20. 18 they have 2, 19 they have 6, frequency 20 they have 3. Persons of 20 they have 30, 19 they have 60, 18 they have 20. Total of 100%. Table 2 Program Section of PTA Automotive 2A Frequency 10, 6 male percent 100%. Analyzing and division. Descriptions question. They have strongly agree and strongly disagree. Number 1. Communities should lead the fight and against global warming by taking local action and living sustainably by avoiding boarding plastic. Strongly agree. They have 100%. Strongly disagree 0. Communities can help stop global warming by planting more trees. Strongly agree they have 90% and strongly disagree they have 10%. Communities can work together to recycle more and waste less. Strongly agree they have 90% and strongly agree they have 10%. Using bikes instead of car can help communities reduce global warming. Strongly agree they have 40%. Strongly disagree they have 60%. Communities can organize clean-up events to keep nature safe. Strongly agree they have 80%. Strongly disagree they have 20%. Number 6. Take other about global warming can help and communities take action. Strongly agree they have 90%. Strongly disagree they have 1%. Number 7. Growing food locally can help communities reduce population. Strongly agree they have 70%. Strongly disagree they have 30%. Communities. Number 8. Communities can create rules to protect nature and stop global warming. Strongly agree they have 90%. Strongly disagree they have 1% with 10%. Number 9. Communities can ban plastic bags to keep the environment clean. Strongly disagree they have 100%. Number 10. Teaching children to care of the earth and aids a step toward and better future to global warming. Strongly, strongly, strongly agree. We have 100%. Suggestions. Rank. Suggestions number 1. Kada barangay butangan sa trash can na naay 3 column recycle, reuse, and throw. Number 2. We should prevent throw or garbage in everywhere. Number 3. We students would apply teamwork to clean for society. Number 4. Make it simplified and relate course. Number 5. Proper segregation.
Chapter 5. Conclusion and Recommendation. This research is to look the global warming solution and what communities can do. And here's some question. Number 1. Demographic profile and respondents. Age, gender, course and year, types of community, urban, rural. 1.5. Educational attainment of parents. Number 2. What step can communities take to improve energy efficient in public building and homes, machine, and transportation? Number 3. What role can community play in supporting vulnerable population who are most affected by global warming? Cash donation, food, and clothes. Conclusion. Most of the respondents are 19 years old above. All of the respondents are male from BT Automotive 2A, Urban City. Urban City can ban plastic to reduce global warming. Rural. Rural communities can plant more trees to help reduce global warming solution. Number 2. In terms of machine can save a lot of energy like cutting woods. Instead of using a handsaw, you can use a chainsaw or jigsaw to make the job easier. In terms of transportation, trucks can carry heavy materials like woods, bricks, and more. Number 3. Most of the respondents say that donating cash is a big help to people who are affected to global warming. And most of the respondents have suffered lack of food caused by global warming. Most of the respondents need clothes like jacket to protect their skin from sun and rain. Recommendation. Parents should teach their children to save energy and appendices. These are the bibliography. And also, this is a bibliography.
Good day. This is the appendices. By the way, my name is Jason Lucas Bagtasos, BT Automotive 2A. Acknowledgement. We, the researchers, would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who contributed to the success of this study. First and foremost, we extend our deepest appreciation to our instructor, Ms. Lynette P. Salo, for her invaluable guidance, encouragement, and insightful feedback throughout the entire research process. Your expertise and dedication have been instrumental in shaping our work. We also thank Institute of Technology and its faculty member for providing us with the resources and support needed to conduct this study. To our families and friends, thank you for your understanding, patience, and unwavering support. Your encouragement keeps us motivated and focused during challenging time. A special thanks to our fellow students and participants who willingly shared their time, experiences, and insight making this research possible. Lastly, we acknowledge the collaborative effort and dedication of each group member. The teamwork, commitment, and shared responsibility were key to completing this project successfully. Thank you to everyone who contributed to this endeavor. Dedication. With the researcher. Dedication. We, the researchers, humbly dedicated this work to the following. To our families, for their unconditional love, support, and encouragement throughout this journey. Your sacrifices and constant belief in us have been our greatest source of strength. To our mentors and teachers who have shared their knowledge and guided us with wisdom and patience, your dedication to education has inspired us to strive for excellence. To our friends and classmates for their moral support and motivation, your encouragement kept us determined to complete this. Finally, to the Almighty for granting us the strength, knowledge, and perseverance to accomplish this endeavor despite the challenge we face. This research is reflecting of our combined effort and unwavering support of the people who believe in us. Sincerely yours, Bagtasos Jason L, Dagante Drex S, Dagundon Brian Y, Hamito Kim J, Lebres Joseph Jr. A. Bachelor of Technology, Automotive 2A, Camiguin Polytechnic State College, Balbagon, Mambahaw 9100 Camiguin. November 26, 2024, Ronaldo F. Margelino Jr., Institute Dean, Institute of Bachelor of Technology, Camiguin Polytechnic State College, Balbagon, Mambahaw 9100 Camiguin. Subject, request for consent to conduct research. Dear Sir, we, the undersigned research from Bachelor of Technology Automotive 2A, are conducting a study titled Global Warming Solution: What Communities Can Do in Compliance to the Partial Fulfillment of the Requirements of the Course, The Contemporary World. We respectfully request your permission to conduct this research within the Institute of Technology. The study will involve interviews, survey, observation, and will be conducted from November 25, 2024 to November 29, 2024. Please be assured that all information collected will be treated with strict confidentiality and used solely for academic process. Participant privacy and right will be protected throughout the research process in compliance with ethical research standards. We will be grateful for your cooperation and support in allowing us to carry out this study. Should you have any question or require further details, please feel free to contact me at jasonbagtasos0_gmail.com or my numbers are 97555-17514. If you agree to grant us permission, kindly sign the acknowledgement below and return a copy of this letter to us. Thank you for considering our quick request. We look forward to your positive response. Sincerely yours, Bagtasos Jason L.
And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching our video, and big shout out to our beloved instructor, Miss Lynette Sala.